as usual. This evening we're going to add a Microsoft Vista client computer to a 2008 server. Firstly, we'll check to see the adapter settings. Okay, network. We try to the most appropriate one at the point that time will be host only adapter, which if you check at the scroll down box. Select the host adapter and you'll see VirtualBox host only Ethernet adapter coming up. Click OK on that. Do the same thing to the client computer, and you see the same thing come back up here. Okay, so we're going to power both systems now. Okay, as I have both systems powered up, first we're going to configure the IP addresses on both systems, which I will start to the 2000 the server. You click on start network sharing, and we're going to manage network connection. At present we have network discovery selected, which is mandatory in order to be able for both to find network in order for the system to discover each other. So we're going to manage network connection, right click and properties. You see I have version 6 on tick and the version 4 selected. This is what we'll be using. Okay. Sorry about that. You select and properties. I have already configured the IP address. This IP address we're using for the server will be used as the default gateway on the client computer. Alright, so okay here. We'll go across to the client. Okay. Get it centered. Click on start. Also network. Let's boot up a little bit. Alright, we also have network discovery selected on the client computer. We're going to manage network connection, right click on properties, continue, and see version 6 on selected and version 4 selected here. Any client also, we select the version 4 and properties. As I mentioned before, the IP address in the server will be the default gateway address, and you prefer the DNS server address. Alright, click on OK and close this off. Now we come back to the screen here. What we're going to do now is to add this client computer to the server. So we're going to start my computer, right click on any area of the vacant area, and properties. You have the screen coming up with the basic information of the system. We're going to change settings, continue. The system properties screen is going to select change, and the box with the computer name will come up, and also you can select either if you want your computer to be a member of a domain or work group. In this case will be a domain, and before we put the domain name, I could carry back to alright. The domain name of this server is mover.com. Okay, so go back to the client computer and we type in the name of the server. It's mover.com. Click on OK. And this point now ask you to enter the computer name, domain changes. This point you want to use the administrator as your username and the password. And voila. Okay, try this again. Let's see, welcome to mover.com domain. Click on OK. You want to start a computer and for the changes to take effect. I will start the system now. While we are waiting for the system to restart, we can add users to the access. So we're going to have administrative tools, Active Directory user, users and computer. What's going on? What's going on? Alright. Alright, click on the to expand the mover.com, well, the domain, and ask if you want to select any users. So right click on users, scroll down to new and add a user. First you add the first name, which is user's Johnny. Walker. And user logon name, put Johnny. Click on next and ask you to enter a password. You can either use the must change password the next login, or you can leave it as never changed. In this case I leave it as never changed because I don't intend to change it right now, just for this purpose only. And you see user being created. Okay, let's see if it works. Switch user. Let's see if this works. Yes, and it works. You can also, let's make certain that the system belongs in network. You see, John PC at mover.com. and a member of a domain, and that's it.